Oh, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Paige if you're new here. And today's video is going to be kind of like a little mini series of how-tos, like how to apply foundation, like your whole base, you know, the foundation, concealer, contour, powder, all that good stuff. And then I'll do another video on how to do eyeshadow, how to do your eyebrows, I don't know, whatever you guys want to see really. So this video is going to be how to get a perfect base, you know? So if you want to see how to do that, then keep on watching. I don't really know what that was, but I kind of like it. So let's start. So I've gotten two new primers, the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil primer, and then I've also gotten the Makeup Forever Shine Control Step 1 primer. I really like both of them. I'm more oily, so I really enjoy this one. It's not like super drying or anything. I'm gonna try to use this one again, the next one, just because like I haven't really gotten to use it that much. I haven't really gotten to try it out. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. It's like got this really pretty like gold tint to it. It's gonna smell, but it's not strong. So I really like that. It kind of gave me a really nice glow to the skin. Cute. Next, I'm gonna go with my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I've had this. This is not new. I didn't pick out a new foundation or anything. I did get this new Laura Geller Quench and Tint Hydrating Foundation, but like the name says, it's just a tint. And I'm actually going out tonight after I do this, so I wanted something more full coverage for the night. Also using, oh god, what brand is this? I have no idea. Oh, IT. It's the IT brushes. The Airbrush Foundation. I don't know, 101 maybe. I'll find it, the exact name, and post it in the description box down below. So I actually did this shopping trip with my daughter. I've created a monster, let me tell you. She loves, absolutely loves going makeup shopping with me. And she loves picking out like lip glosses, and then I'll get her like little like cheap eyeshadow palettes that she can use because she loves eyeshadow too. She got a Makeup Revolution one. It's a pink one, and she loves the glitters in it, and it's actually really cute. It's not like too much for her or anything. She just loves to wear it like inside and show off to everyone like in the house. It's the cutest thing. But I think the best part about this specific, yeah. I don't know, can anyone else, like, does anyone else mix up specific and Pacific? I am probably the only one, but whatever. Back to the story. So I get home, I'm finally going through my bag of stuff from Ulta. I'm taking everything out, and then all of a sudden I come across this. And I'm like, where did this come from? I didn't put this in the basket. And she goes, oh mommy, I got that for you. But I paid for it. So I got concealer from Revelution, Makeup Revolution. It's Conceal and Fix Light Beige. I also don't know how she picked out the right shade. Girl's got some talent, I guess, that I didn't know about. But I was in tears. She was laughing. She thought it was the funniest thing. I got that for you. Nope. Actually, I paid for it. So you don't have money. You're 4. So that was fun. That was the highlight of that. But it goes on so nice, so smooth, and it's got so much coverage. So for concealer, how I like to do concealer is I'm using this, I don't even know, I got it in a Nipsey bag. I will find it on Ipsy and post it down below, but it's a concealer perfecting brush. I like to use a brush like this. You can use your finger, you can use a more dense brush like this Complex Culture Precision Concealer one. Like this one's very, very dense compared to this one. They all work pretty much the same. They get the job done. So I like to do just a little bit in the inner corner and then blend it a little ways down. I will never go past like here on my nose because I kind of do the sides of my nose as well. And then just press that in to the skin, blend it right in. It's creamy, that's for sure. I love it. Then sometimes I'll take like a beauty blender and just go over that to like get out any like brush strokes that may have formed. So from Trestique, from my Ipsy bag, I got this color and contour cheek stick. So super cute. First of all, the packaging is wicked cute. And it's got like this like magnetic packaging. But then this is the cool part. It's got its own brush. I love it. I think that's so cool. And it actually is pretty dense and like it's easy to blend out with this. So for my face, I like to start like a little bit above like the ear line and then just come down a little bit and kind of just like do like the slightest curve in right below like my nostrils. So I am looking straight, come down, get a little bit below my nostril, and then I kind of just like curve it in a little bit. And then I'll do another. So it kind of looks like that. And then this side. I'm kind of like right on top of like my cheekbone, almost where you would think like you would put blush. That's where I like to contour for my fat face. And then just like a little bit here. I messed that up. I didn't mean to put that there, but that's fine because we can blend it out. That double chin, gotta go. She gotta leave. So I kind of just like, I don't know if you can see, but kind of go straight across and then back and then just down a little bit to give a more of a jawline look. Like I have a jawline because right now she's non-existent. All right, so now we're gonna just start blending. Literally just like press the product into the skin and like this brush just like blends it right out. Like it just blends so nice. I was really surprised about the brush that it came with. And like you don't want to like drag it down, you want to kind of like push up as you're pushing it into the skin. Okay, and then as like a last step, I will take a beauty blender and just lightly go over it just to make sure that it's all nice. Okay, so now I've got this really nice contour look. Okay, so Sephora shop, I got this freaking amazing powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Like wicked cute packaging. So this little thing was $25. I'm going to have to purchase the full-size one because this powder is a freaking game changer. I wore it one day without my mask. I was like, wow, this is really awesome. I wore it the next day again, and that day I had to wear a mask a little bit more. Wow, it made my makeup last so freaking long. I was so impressed. So what I'm gonna do is just blend out any like crease, and I only had like the slightest creasing, but I literally haven't been able to find a concealer where I don't crease. I just got creasy under eyes. So I just take the powder, tap it off a little bit, and start going underneath my eyes first, and then bring it down. You can tell that there's coverage to it too. It's not translucent. This is in the shade medium, number 2. Like, ever since I found this powder, I'm like, there's no other powder for me. This is it. And it just stays so nice. You just push that into the skin. I'm using this, actually highlighter brush, but you can literally use brushes for anything. It's from Laurice. It's the LR 308 highlighter. And I'm just pushing it into the skin. So I don't have a new bronzer. So you'll know what that means. Jaclyn Hill. Oh, I just pinched myself. So bad. I was so excited and I was not paying attention. So I am taking my Real Techniques brush. This is a contour brush. So take it and I'm literally just gonna like go right over where I contoured with the contour stick, just to give it a little more depth. You totally like don't have to, you can just leave it. But for me, I don't know. I want my face to just look. Hope y'all like that sound, because I regretted it the moment I heard it. I got this blush from Sheglam. It's the Hold On Metallic Glow Blush. It's very pretty. I'm taking this Real Techniques buffing brush. It's gonna do one swirl, tap off, and just start tapping that right above my contour. It's so pretty. Like, it's very subtle, but it's got a nice glow to it. Like, I don't know if you can tell in the pan, but it's a beautiful color. Then, I don't know what I'm doing. I had this, I've tried this already. It's the Face Palette Powder Chrome Highlighter 03 Lightning Dust. It's pretty. It doesn't give the highlight that I like. This is more like a glow from within. And I'm like, I want to be seen from outer space. So, Ulta had the Kylie ones for like $8. I picked up Ice Me Out because I wanted to like compare, because I've always heard like Kylie's are like, whoo, you can be seen from outer space. Jaclyn Hill still, I like hers better. I do. There's a lot of fallout with this one. I don't know if you could see, but the Jaclyn Hill one, there's not that much, but I like this one too. This one's good and this one's nice. It does the job. It makes me seen from outer space, but I don't know what it is about the other one, about the Jaclyn Hill one, but I like that one just a tiny bit better. So for when you're applying highlighter, you kind of want to either be in a light, be in natural light, or like a bathroom light, and just kind of look to see where the light hits your face. And that's where you're gonna apply the highlighter. And then to my nose, I'm gonna do just the tip, and then like right kind of like in the middle, just a little bit, and then tip, and then this side as well, you know, find out where it hits my face, the high points. I go above my eyebrow a little bit, I'll go on the brow bone, and then the Cupid's bow, I kind of just like whatever is left goes on there. But it's a nice compact. It's got a nice mirror, nice big pan, but maybe this one makes me look a little more textured, which highlighters are going to make you look textured no matter what. But this one kind of just a little bit more maybe than the Jaclyn Hill one, which is why I like the Jaclyn Hill one a little bit more. Enough of my rambling. I'm going to use this setting spray, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, Hydrating Glowing Radiance. To bathe in this. So yeah, so that's how to do your base makeup. I really like how it turned out. I really liked all the products that I used. Those are kind of been like my go-to products as of lately. And yeah, so you know the drill now. If you like this video, if you like me, you like makeup, you like listening to hear about my daughter throwing random shit into my basket at Ulta, go ahead and like this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.